Alright, doing a nighttime look around a little homestead here. Getting ready to go get some supper. That's a paw print of my service dog, Kane. We buried him a few months ago. He's a great dog. He's a great friend to have. He's a rescue. It's my boy. I'm working the shit out of this truck here lately. Got it cleaned out, took the leaf blower. Got all the debris out of it. Got the whole property lit up just for the hell of it. I like enjoying the fruits of my labors. It's been many, many years back-breaking labor. It's worth every damn minute of it. Every minute. Might get us a fire rocking again tonight. Got my little wood stove there from Outfitters.